The next speakers on stage are Arthur Camara and Angie Skazka. Yay!
Hello, guys. So today we want to show you that the world is getting better with JavaScript. And my name is Arthur, and this is my colleague, Angie. And we also work with our colleague, Professor Hans Rosling. And you guys might know Professor Hans Rosling from his numerous TED Talks, where he shows data about the world with the bubble chart and some of our videos, which sometimes go quite viral, like this last picture you can see. We also have a very popular tool called Gapminder World. It's used by thousands of people a day, and it's a Flash-based tool that was created 15 years ago, and we can browse through data, and it's pretty interesting. You can see different indicators, and it's just old, but we like it. But we want to make it better. So we introduced a project called Gapminder Visabi, which is a very nice project in JavaScript, and we would like to demo it today.
Hello. So this is the same bubble graph in JavaScript. Here you have the bubbles. Each bubble is a country, and the size is the population. The colors are regions: red for Asia, yellow for Europe, blue for Africa, and green for both Americas. So here we can select, let's say, China and United States. We can follow their progress over time with these trails which they leave behind. We can change the indicators really easily by switching, let's say, colors to population. And we'll see how the population changes over time. We can switch also x-axis, let's say, well, population again, just to see that the thing really works. So it's really easy and flexible. Then we can also change the screen size, so we show it's responsive. This is a new graph we'd like to show you. This graph shows the income distribution in the world. As you can see, the colors are the same regions. As you can see, in 1800s, everyone was poor, so most of the world lived behind the extreme poverty line, which is this line. Then Europe moves out of extreme poverty. Americas follow. And then we have a divided world with a gap in between rich and poor. And then Asia moves to fill the gap in between. And now we have a completely different world with most people who live in the middle. And you can really see how the world got better with JavaScript. But there's still things to fix, still bugs. Like see, there are still as many people today living behind the extreme poverty line as there were in 1800s. So please submit a pull request. And we can still select the countries, and we can follow the progress, or we can switch. We can search Sweden, for example, and we can compare, see how population compares and the income compares to Sweden. So this is Sweden, this thin line is Sweden here. All right. I guess that's it. So what can you do with it? You can embed our charts to your own web page by using this little line of code. It's simple. You can customize the charts by modifying options. You pass the state and UI objects over here, and you modify. Or you modify the options during runtime by using getOptions and setOptions API. Like in this case, we set time to play, and the time slider starts playing. You can extend our tools and override them. So here you create your own bubble chart, and you override method ready, so you do something different, and then you embed it to your own web page, same as before. Or you can create your very own tools and in our framework, Visabi. And here you have tools and components which you created from the basic class. So please visit our documentation at the website visabi.org.
All right, so this is all pretty cool. And Visabi is a visualization framework built on top of D3. And we make it very easy to make it embeddable on any blog or website. We make it very easy to make it responsive, so you can have charts in any size. And we support native UI like zooming and pinching. And we make it very important to make translations, so it's accessible for people all over the world. And we also want to let people access our data and import their own data into our charts and tools. So that's pretty cool. And we want to build many other charts with Visabi, and we want to have developers help us in any way possible. And the best thing is it's open source completely, so you can find us on GitHub. It's gapminder/Visavi, and you can help us with issues. And there's 76 right there, so you can help us.
Or put your own issues
there.
there.
Put your own issues there too. And yeah, thank you very much. This is our team. This is me, Arthur, Angie. We have Amir in the audience, and Ula is not here, but you can visit us at gapminder.org. Thank you.
Thank you.